Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the users section and how to filter it on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. Just click on it and enter the application first, and here you will find the search up right here. Click on it, and for example choose this one on the trend, the first one on the trend, and here you will find the users. And as you see, this is the users section, and also you will find the filter. Click on it, and here you will find the followers from 0 to 100 follower, or from 100 to 1k, etc. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.